Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behavior like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distance and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant ramps up dispatch of liquid medical oxygen. And departments of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on sanitization spree to prevent COVID-19. Now the news in detail. The surge in COVID cases in the country has pitched in sudden increase in requirement of medical grade oxygen, that is liquid medical oxygen. Responding to the need of the current times and under the guidance of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister for PNG and Steel, the SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has geared up its oxygen making units to maximize the production and dispatch of LMO to different parts of the country. On 7th May 2021, RSP has recorded the highest single-day dispatch of LMO by sending 474.16 tons to Orissa and other states of the country. This includes 72.33 tons of LMO sent to Haryana by the Oxygen Express operated by Indian Railways. On 9th May 2021, LMO of 420.29 tons was dispatched, including 49.72 tons sent in 4 tankers to Haryana by rail. Notably, 3,195.65 tons of LMO has been dispatched from SAIL RSP so far in May 2021. Since April 2021, 6,072 tons of LMO has been supplied by RSP to various states. It is worth mentioning here that RSP has been working closely with the authorities and making every possible effort for the efficient and smooth loading as well as dispatch of LMO. RSP has mobilized all the resources for optimizing the production, quick refilling and dispatch of the precious ingredient. The spirited employees working in oxygen plants inside RSP have been working round the clock to maximize production as well as supply of LMO and thereby extend useful support to the healthcare system of the country. In the wake of the rising number of cases of COVID-19 over the past few weeks, departments of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have come together to combat the spread of the pandemic. Apart from stringently following the workplace advisories, the departments are working in tandem with the civil engineering services and fire services personnel in carrying out disinfection drive of the shop floors, equipments, control rooms, control pulpits, shift offices and restrooms, etc. The intensive campaign is being done on a daily basis under the guidance of heads of the departments. It also receives enthusiastic response and support from the collective all across the plant. The precautionary measures are being strengthened to ensure a safe working environment for the employees. Care is also taken to see that the daily mopping with disinfectants is being carried out in the offices, frequently touched areas, articles like tabletops, chairs, chair handles, pen stands, etc. On 7th May, a massive sanitization drive was carried out in the offices and shop floor areas of mechanical shop. Mr. Shekhar Narayan, GM in charge, Shops Mechanical, led the campaign. A similar exercise was done at pipe plant on the same day. Mr. Gurbinder Singh, GM in charge, pipe plants, led the team to disinfect all the vulnerable places and equipments of the departments. Another sanitization drive was conducted at New Plate Mill on 7th May, in which the employees led by Mr. P. Chaudhary, CGM, disinfected equipments and different places of the department. The fire services personnel, who are playing a commendable role in the massive sanitization drive since the onset of the pandemic, carried a disinfection job in the entrance gates and at many departments of the plant on 8 May 2021. The personnel also took up the special disinfection and sanitization drive at Ispat General Hospital later in the day. On the following day, on 9th May, the personnel carried out the massive sanitization drive in sector areas of the Still Township as well as the aerodrome. Notably, intensifying its activities to meet the need of the hour, the Fire Services Department has prepared a routine and executing the sanitization drive in a strategic manner. On 10th May, the Public Health Unit of Town Engineering Department carried out disinfection drive in Sector 6 Health Center, where large number of persons come for COVID testing and vaccination. It is worth mentioning here that RSP has been making all efforts to combat the spread of the disease both inside the plant and the township, while ensuring the maximum possible preventive steps. Under the guidance of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Home Minister for PNG and Steel, the steel plant has also adopted an integrated healthcare response to the pandemic by way of intensifying focuses on awareness, quarantine, testing, tracing, treatment and containment. Here we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.